Oh, hi.
Hello.
Hello.
We're going to be singing.
I know I'm on a toilet.
Anyways,
but it sounds better in the bathroom.
we're going to be singing Set Fire to the Rain by
I know it's old.
Adele.
Kind.
Yes.
Well, no.
And don't dig.
You just heard Trini, honey.
No, I didn't.
Are you okay, baby?
Yes, I'm okay. Anyways.
We're so okay.
Yeah, we're very gay. We're going to be singing Set Fire
Without
to
the
Rain.
beat or anything, cause
Yeah. And by the way, don't delete because
Please.
we're doing this for fun. And if you delete, then we're basically simply block, delete it, and then it's over with. Ow.
Oh, and Merry Early Christmas.
Yeah. By the way, shout out to whoever said happy birthday to me.
Shout out to whoever liked my video. Well, yeah.
Her recent
Singing
video.
Grenade. Yeah. I'm not. Well, yeah, whatever. Okay, so here we go. I let it fall, my heart, and as I fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they show, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you said that were never true, and the games you played, you would always win, but I said I can't believe No, don't stop that. Okay, so we have this problem that we sing we have our own beat and rhythm, and we're really good at not planning it and singing it like
and it
really
comes out
good.
the same.
But this time I knew that was gonna happen. I had a feeling that was gonna happen.
And
but,
it's crazy how
like when I go low, she goes low.
She goes up when I go high. When she goes high,
like didn't you just notice that?
When she stops, and we don't plan it.
I know.
That's why we're twins.
Yes.
Anyways, but I set fire to the
rain. Watched it pour as I
touch your face. While it burned, while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name.
When I lay with you,
I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing is better.
'cause there's a side to you
That I never knew.
all the things you'd say
They were never true,
and the games you played,
you would always win,
but I set fire to the rain.
Watch it pour as I touch your face.
Well, it burned
While I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name.
Sometimes I wake up by the door,
And that heart be waiting for you.
even now when I'm already over.
I can't help myself from looking for you. I set fire
To the rain,
watch it pour as I touch your face.
well, it burned
While I
cried.
'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire
To the rain, and not through us
us into the rain. While it burned, while I cried,
and I knew that
that was the last time, the last time.
Oh,
Ooh,
letting you. Let me stop. Alright.
letting it burn. Let it burn. Oh, we rocked the house. Oh, we got school tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we gotta go to sleep in. Oh, and we gotta go. Who likes who likes school?
We're such a fail. Alright, this is for fun, and this will be on Facebook, of course.
Well,
I hope you guys liked it.
A goodbye kiss.
Our failure.
Come over here so you can give a goodbye kiss.
Failure.
Failure. We're a failure at everything. Even school. Even school. Look at my nostrils.
Oh. You're so embarrassing.
I don't know why, but my habit is when I'm bored, I take my boogies out. Like, I don't know why. Like, it's a habit. But I'm dead serious. And like, or not, like, I just play with my hair.
And this is her lab.
Yeah, that's my life. And if you don't like it, well, get the hell out of my face. Yeah, I'm talking to you, iPod.
I know. I'm sitting on a toilet. Sitting on a toilet. I can do that.
Now, blush. Deuces. Kiss to you.
I love this girl.
Okay, bye.